Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you how you can edit your videos uh, online within some minutes. You do not need to install heavy softwares like Premiere Pro, Filmora, etc. You can easily edit your videos online and you have many options. And these tools are very handy and easy. First of all, let's go to Fiverr and let's see is there a demand of video editing or not. If you don't know about Fiverr, Fiverr is the best freelancing platform in the world right now. So I search here video editing. So as you can see, there are 46,993 services available. So let's choose this gig, do amazing video editing, 1K plus reviews, 5-star reviews. And let's see. So in the basic package, he charged $50 and he provide basic editing, less footage, less requirements and editing work. Contact me. Up to 15 minutes of footage provided, to 1 minute running time, color grading, sound design and mixing, motion graphics, subtitles. In standard, he charged $100 and provide 30 minutes of footage, up to 10 minutes running time, color grading, sound design, motion graphics, subtitles. And up to 120 minutes of footage provided, he charged $250. Up to 60 minutes running time, color grading, sound design, motion graphics, subtitles. So I think this is a good opportunity. So you can also uh, analyze his gig, but do not copy his gig. And do one thing: watch my video of copywriting. I uploaded a copywriter video, which is a free copywriter. You can write your gig description with the help of this copywriting tool, and the copywriting tool is copy.ai, and you can also search the video on my channel. So this is our freelancing part. Let's go towards skill part. So right here in the Google Chrome, media.io, and you see the first site, media.io. Click on video, and there are all in one video tools. So first of all, we if we want to remove video background, so I click on this. It is loading. It depends on your uh, internet speed, so wait for some seconds. Remove background now. Upload video. I downloaded 3 videos for this purpose, so I click on this. So as you can see, the video is very high quality, so that's why it's take some time. We will wait for some seconds. In the meantime, we also check the video editor tools. So I click on this plus also. It is processing. We will wait for a second. I pause the video, and when it's over, then I again resume the video. So guys, that video was very high quality, so it will take time, but my net is slow. But I show you how you can remove the watermark of this video. Just upload the video and it will remove the watermark. Now we will try video editor. I click on this and generate subtitle. Now create your video today, and video recorder. Create your video today. So click on create video, and let's see. It will provide the templates Text, subtitles, elements, transition, music. So I click on template and I choose this one, and we will click on add to timeline. So it is added in our timeline. So when we click on this, and it will uh, start creating our video. Guys, this is not a video editing tutorial. This is a tutorial about a tool, online tool from which you can create videos. So if you don't know about video editing, you must first learn video editing, then you can use this tool. So this tool is basically for marketers, video editors, and etc. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn and earn from this skill. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.